Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your home on Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute and updates. You have to go ahead and select save. Under saved, you can see options like favorites, want to go, travel plans, labeled and start places. Go ahead and select label. Then you can see two options, home and work. Go ahead and select home. Under home, you can select choose on maps. Then go ahead and select the place that's your home. Okay, I'm not gonna give you my location. I'm gonna select this one and tap on OK from the bottom of the screen, then select done. And guys, that's it. Once you drop your pin on the location that your home is, you're gonna be able to add your home on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.